Hi guys, welcome back to the BG Bakers. In today's video, we're going to be making sea salt caramel brownies. Before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to Blade for winning this video's comment competition. If y'all want a chance to win, all you have to do is leave a huge like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, in a microwave safe bowl, you're going to melt 3 ounces of unsweetened chocolate and 6 tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to gradually whisk in 1 1/8 cups of sugar. Okay, now we're going to add 2 eggs, one at a time, mixing between each addition. Now we're going to add about 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix together 1/2 cup plus 1/8 cup of flour, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 plus 1/8 a teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're going to fold it into our chocolate mixture in 3 additions. Alright, now we're going to spray down our 8 by 8 inch pan and then pour our brownie batter into the pan. Then we're going to put it in the oven at 325 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. When our brownies come out of the oven, we're going to stick a toothpick in the middle, and if they come out with soft, moist crumbs, then that's how you'll know your brownies are done. Alright, now it's time to make our delicious caramel sauce. First, we're going to add 1/4 cup of water and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to a saucepan over high heat until it starts to boil. Now in a separate saucepan, we're going to bring 1/2 cup of cream and 1 pinch of salt to a simmer. Alright, now once your sugar mixture is straw color and it reaches about 300 degrees, you're going to turn down the heat and continue to cook it. Now your sugar mixture should be about 350 degrees and a dark ombre color. Now we're going to add about 1/3 of our cream mixture to our sugar mixture. And it's gonna bubble quite a bit, so we're just gonna let it sit for a few seconds to just let the bubbles die down. And then we're going to add the rest of our cream mixture and just whisk it. Now we're going to take our sauce off the heat and add 1/4 a teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 a teaspoon of lemon juice. Our sauce looks so delicious. This caramel sauce is going to taste so good with our brownies. Alright, now we're just going to pour our caramel sauce over the top of our brownies, and then we're going to sprinkle some kosher salt or sea salt over the top, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator to just let it firm up. And then you can enjoy your amazing caramel brownies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to our channel, leave a huge like on this video, and share our videos with your friends. Also remember that we post our videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 11:30 Central Time. See you next time on BG Bakers.